Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a slime ASMR again. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do ASMR slime, and I'll tell y'all how I made this when I'm done with the ASMR. So here we go. So I call this one green apple because it's green and it's got a little bit of glitter and it has green apple scent in it. Sorry I can't pull it out on the container. My mom doesn't let me because it gets all over the counter. And then I have to.
I'm a mean mama.
Yep, there she is, right there. Yeah. And oh, sorry, I was filming the cans. So now I'm gonna move on to the bubble gum. Hold on, guys. Hold on, let me just go. Hold on, let me see if that works. Wait, hold on. Here, I'll set this right. Can y'all see it? You alright, bro? Can y'all see me alright? Hold on, guys. There, wait, yeah. There we go. Wait, there. I'm so sorry. I'll just film like this. Okay, so this is my bubblegum slime. I just kind of have to let it. Hold on. Hold on, people. Y'all can just see the green apple. Here. I'll just put this up like that. There. Chaparral. So it's kind of stretchy, but if you go like that, it rips. You can like rip it like this too. Yeah, and I have another slime. I'm gonna go get that real quick. Y'all can just look at the bubble gum real quick. The next one, I'm just warning you, it looks like the stuff that comes out of your butt, but because it's a slime smoothie and it changed the color really bad, so let's get on to that one. But it makes really good slime pressing, and that was the bubble gum going back into its container. And by the way, this container came from Michael's, and it was the ones that come in the little glitter putty things. This one I just got at Walmart, this little container. This is kind of like a fishbowl slash like fluffy and clear slime, even though it's not close to anything clear. Got a little keyring of it there. You can see it right there, can you? I can take this one out on the counter. It's just, this one's not that stretchy, but the only thing is they like have little base filler balls in it, and they kind of get all over the place. So that's the only bad. Oh, it's not even close. Move this over. It's kind of a jumbo slime, but it's kind of not. Move that. Dang it, guys, I'm sorry. Hold on. Makes pretty good stuff. And it sounds like. None of these are made with borax, because I don't like using borax, because it can make your hands swell up and make rashes, third-degree burns, and stuff like that. But I usually use Stay Flow or contact solution. when I use contact solution, I get a mixture of baking soda and contact solution. I think this one's made with Stay Flow right here. On the camera, it looks like it's glow in the dark, but it's not. Like in real life, this actually looks like it doo-doo. But when I edit it, the thing, it might actually look like doo-doo. But from here, it doesn't. This one doesn't have glitter in it. But on the camera, it looks like it's just green, like my green apple. So that's a good thing. Well, who knows? When I come to edit. Oh, and by the way, I'm talking to my mom. Yeah. What was that? Mama, can you fix me some? Can you look and see if we have any like rice? Like little things of rice? Oh God, that smelled horrible. Warning you, I just farted. You do not want to smell my farts. Ooh. Yeah, it looks so green on the camera. In real life, it's like, looks like puke and some stuff that comes out of your anus. You don't know what that is? It's your butt. Okay, let's not. Okay. Sorry if there's like kids, toddlers out there. Now you know what an anus is. Why is there a green foam ball? There's a blue one, there's a pink one. Yeah, okay, oh yeah. A little bit of my foam was in here, I forgot. There's like a tiny piece. So this one's gonna go away now. I'm gonna show you my clear slime. It's a little sticky. It's like as sticky as my green apple, so I'll be back. It's cloudy because I use Stay Flow. It's got little pieces of grass in it because when I have this house next to me, and it's kind of my slimatory, my slime factory, and I had to carry it over there from this. Oh, okay. God, this one's so sticky. It only sticks to skin. Oh, jeez. See, it's kind of cloudy. That was my mom, by the way. Oh, look how clear it is. Like sometimes in the package it gets wet for some reason. It's kind of jiggly. Oh no, that's not good. For some reason it always sticks to the back of my hand. Like that's the only part. It looks like glass when you stretch it. Like, bro. Like you can, like, that's how clear it is. It looks like you're just like, completely just looking at my shirt. See? If you're any of my friends like Langston, Josh, or anybody in my class, hi. Today is a new day and it will be a great one. Go subscribe to Carl and Jinger. Yeah. Oh my God, container. And also subscribe to, what's his name? Oh yeah, yeah, here we go. So, also go follow Roman Atwood And Jake Paul and Logan. Yeah, you know. I'll put their YouTube channels in the description. Yeah. Jake Paul's is just Jake Paul. Logan is Logan. Wait, no. It goes like, his is like Logan Paul Vlogs. Yeah. And also go subscribe to Dwarf Mambo. Ooh, it's so clear. This is one of my favorites. The clear one. For some reason, I don't know why. I like it. It's got little tiny red balls in here. How long? This video's been 10 minutes. Jeez, it feels like 30 seconds. Oh, gosh. Also go subscribe to Mora Mira. And her friends. Well, it used to be. We still are, but she moved away. And yeah. She doesn't even live in my state. I live in Texas. Well, she might live in my state, but she don't live in my city. Not even close. I think she lives in like Florida. Somewhere over there. She might live in Costa Rica. I don't know. Just kidding. I also have this like, there's this other clear slime, but it's just so bad. It's not good at all. It's not stretchy. Like as soon as you stretch it, it just like breaks. It's like as soon as you stretch it, it's like it doesn't even stretch. It feels like it's been dried out, but it's not. Never get the glue at Walmart that has like, it's a clear one and it's like, it's not Elmer's, but it's, I can't think of the name. And it's got like a little cap on the top that's like, what's it called? It's red and it has like a little circle on top. Mama, can you look for the rice? Rice scum. Don't subscribe to him. He's a bad person. Well, can you make me tuna fish? Fine, you can. Fine, I'll have an egg sandwich. So here I am. There's a slime. Still. Good. Subscribe to Charlie Navalua or Navalua and the Navalua family. I can't think of their sister's name. And subscribe to Sis versus Bro. Sis versus Bro! Because they're really awesome. And Annie LeBlanc and Haley LeBlanc and Hayden Summerall. So yeah. This has been going on for 13 minutes. If you don't know what that is. Yeah, I'm going to show you all my fish now. If you can't see it, it is. Oh, yep, there it is. Well, okay, yep, there it is. Yep, Dang it, my clear slime. So sticky. The struggle is real. People, the struggle. Oh gosh, an itch. Yep. Sorry. It's a really bad itch. Dang. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Maybe it'll stay now. Oh, it's not. Bro, what a catch. What a